Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today I'm going to go ahead and make some gluten-free and dairy-free banana bread. I love banana bread and it's a hit or miss normally for people, but I think with these ingredients right here, I'll be able to make this really well. So I can't wait to try this. So for the ingredients I have today, I have 2 cups. I'm going to use 2 cups of gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to scrape, since this is whole nutmeg, I'm going to scrape about half a teaspoon of nutmeg just to give it a little bit of a taste. I like the taste of nutmeg, little spice in it. I'm going to use just 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a little bit of salt will give it a good taste. 2 ripe bananas. I'm going to use about half a cup of maple syrup, and this is my sugar replacement. Of course, if you want some more sweetness, you can always add some more sugars, but that's up to you as well. I'm going to use just 2 tablespoons of milk. I don't want this to get too watery, so I'm just going to use a little bit of milk. I'm going to use about a 1/3 cup of coconut oil, and this is my replacement for butter. I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and I'm going to use some flax seeds. So my normal flax seeds mixture, which I normally do, I'm going to use that as well. This is my replacement for eggs. And I'll also give it it'll give it a good texture as well and combine everything together. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this all together, and I can't wait to try this. Okay, I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. And I'm going to combine this with some warm water. Okay, in this bowl over here, I'm going to go ahead and gather my dry ingredients. And so this is the nutmeg over here. This is already roasted. So I have this. I'm just going to scrape it. Of course, if you have nutmeg powder, that works fine as well. And then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I got about half a teaspoon of baking soda. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then about 2 cups of gluten-free flour. Okay, I got my bananas over here. I'm just going to go ahead and mash this. Of course, if you have a blender or anything, that would help as well. A mixer would help too. Okay, to my wet ingredients, I got about a 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Just pouring that in there. I just popped the lid. To that, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And I'm going to use about half a cup of maple syrup. I know this is very sweet, so it depends on your liking. Okay, for this, I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to give this a quick stir. And later on, I'm going to go ahead and combine all this together. Okay, I'm also going to put a little bit of milk in this, just to combine it all together. Just a little bit. Okay. I like to put some oil. You can use any oil. I'm just using avocado oil. Just to spread it around so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, I got this leveled up over here. In the meantime, I have my oven preheating 350 degrees. I'm just going to preheat this for 5 minutes at 350. Okay, after 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the oven here. I got this at 350 bake, and I'm going to go ahead and put this for about 55 minutes because I just got this out of the oven and it smells so good. Okay, it looks so good, but now let's see if you have a toothpick, that will do. I don't have one with me on hand. I'm just putting a stick over here just to see if it comes out clean or not. Okay, it does come out clean. So firm, it came out so easily. It's cooked all the way over here, you can tell. And it was only 55 minutes, 350. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this. Ooh. Can you hear the crunch? Okay, I can't wait to try this. Perfect. This is what I wanted. Okay, so I got my slice over here. Breaks off very easily too. Wow. Oh my god, I'm not joking, guys. This is so good. This is so tasty, so delicious. Wow, and the chocolate chips in here too. Can you see it? It's like, I think that's the perfect thing to have as well, the chocolate chips. This is so good, so good. This is perfect for any dessert. Guys, you have to try this. It's gluten-free, dairy-free. It's just perfect. Thank you for watching this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoy making this, and I'm going to have another slice after this as well. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free videos and recipes. Have a great day, guys. Okay.